It's stuck motor key now.
Yeah, Miles. Oh, yeah. Good job, baby. Talk about pressure on that one. Jesus Christ. Great teamwork. Yeah, you guys.
Good work.
I just realized you have like 10 more PSI.
Now you're gonna go with the big boys. You ready?
Big boys. I'm barely gonna qualify.
You barely made it in, man.
Oh yeah, it's more in than it was. Alright, we're gonna have to go down again, see how low this is.
That's her first 7-second pass. It's about 8:04 before.
Okay, so listen, in the right lane, that is Brooke Marie's first 7-second pass ever in the right lane, built by AMS Performance. First round's on Brooke.
Push your back. Oh,
no. Big three push. That's all good.
I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna cry. No. Yeah, that's awesome. Sorry, I'm really excited. I'm a cry baby. I don't even know what to say. Yeah! Oh my god. I got her 8-2. Huh? She did. Oh my god. I told you we got it. Love you. No, I've been crying the whole way. I'm so proud of you.
I mean, the 60-foot was the best this weekend or this week.
No, we can always improve. Like I said, I already backed it way down.
Yeah, I know.
Nice.
I think you let off.
Alright, this thing is hurting my legs.
I heard it. It went.
I have the radio on the side, so I hear green light. You think I'm stopping when I hear green light? No, not happening. No one is stopping when I hear green light. I was hanging on. That third, fourth, I was like, I was like, okay, it's going, it's on the ride.
Hey, she treated the balls off him.
That was awesome.
She's gonna be happy about it. Everyone was happy. I think it was
I'm
fucking
glad we got to
awesome.
make a
It was
run. We didn't
W.
just push off.
I
so,
know,
yeah.
I know. It was W. It was W. Good shot. Thank
Hell
you
yeah,
guys.
dude.
Thank you guys. Hey, thank you, buddy. Appreciate you guys.
I'm just helping. Yeah, no, you're good.
exact same
similar
time.
reaction times. Yeah, yeah.
That's insane.
Shut up. What was the margin between you two?
0.05.
0.05.
Where'd he go? Where'd he go? We gotta go. That was a good race.
Good job.
Thank
You're so fast. I was like, oh, I think, and I kind of like turned it. I was like, no.
Because I think you got out ahead a little bit, and then I was like, what? Really?
You started
Really?
coming real
Really?
hard. And I was like, there's no way.
I
Like,
know.
come on! Lean forward!
Oh man, that was a good ass race though.
I saw your light come on your blue light, and I was all, shit. And I was gonna tell you when I got up, like, hey, I let off at the end, sorry.
Oh yeah, yeah. Of course you did.
Just for you.
Of course you did. Thank you. Thank you.
Was it like 0.2 seconds let off?
Yeah.
Just
yeah,
enough.
Yeah.
Right at the end.
Yeah. Thank you.
It's all good. It's all good. I can't be upset. Huh?